Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a showdown for the ages, the Sony Alpha 7 IV versus the Canon EOS R10. It's a battle of the mirrorless marvels. One is a full-frame powerhouse, and the other is a compact champ. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of these two cameras and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's talk money. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is priced at a whopping $2,499, while the Canon EOS R10 is a steal at just $1,379. Reviewers appreciate the R10 for its value, noting that it's a fantastic choice for beginners and those looking to save some cash. Meanwhile, the Alpha 7 IV is seen as a high-end investment with impressive features, but it does come with a high price tag. If you want to impress your friends with your expensive taste, then the Alpha 7 IV is your go-to. Now let's get into the sensor. The Sony Alpha 7 IV boasts a jaw-dropping 33 megapixels full-frame sensor, while the Canon EOS R10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. Reviewers of the Alpha 7 IV rave about its superior image quality and enhanced autofocus speed, making it perfect for capturing stunning details. In contrast, the R10 is praised for its solid performance, though it may not match the Alpha in terms of sheer power. If you want to capture every detail, go with the Alpha 7 IV. If you're just trying to avoid awkward family photos, the R10 will do just fine. Let's talk video. The Alpha 7 IV can shoot up to 4K 60p, 10-bit 4:2, making it a favorite among those looking to create high-quality video content. Reviewers love its versatility for live streaming and vlogging. On the other hand, the R10 also produces high-definition videos but is more suited for casual use. If you're planning to make the next big YouTube hit, the Alpha 7 IV is your best bet. But if you're just filming fun moments with friends, the R10 will suffice. Now, let's get into autofocus and shooting speed. The Canon EOS R10 has high-speed continuous shooting with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS, which reviewers mention as a great feature for capturing fast-moving subjects. The Alpha 7 IV, while slightly slower, still offers impressive autofocus capabilities. Reviewers note that the R10 is better for snapping those fleeting moments, making it an excellent choice for action shots. It's like the tortoise and the hare, where the R10 takes the lead. Overall, the reviews for the Sony Alpha 7 IV highlight its exceptional image quality, versatility, and advanced features, making it a top choice for serious photographers. However, some users mention overheating issues. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R10 is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and solid performance, although it has limitations in battery life and lens options. Both cameras have their unique strengths and cater to different types of photographers. So after all that comparing and contrasting, which camera should you choose? If you're after stunning image quality and don't mind splurging a bit, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is your ticket to photography heaven. But if you're a budding photographer looking for a good camera without breaking the bank, the Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart and happy shooting. Upbeat music fades out as the video ends.